Good morning, students. Today I teach you class 5 maths. Okay, and today's topic is addition and subtraction of fractions. Addition and subtractions of fractions. Addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction of fraction. So first I have written addition and subtraction of fractions. Two type questions today I teach you. First addition, second subtractions related to fractional questions. So you know fraction is what? Previous time I teach you fraction is a part of a whole. Fraction is a part of a whole. So today first I give you some simple question fraction. See here a number question 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. See here in this question I have written 4 by 5 plus 3 by 5. It is both are fractional. 4 by 5 is one fraction and 3 by 5 is one fraction. So when you add this type question, then you see first denominator. First you see which numbers? Denominators. If denominators are equal, then this type of fraction is called like fractions. Okay. If denominators are equal, then fraction is a like fraction. So when the fraction in like fractions, then you write first what? 5, because both denominators are equal, so you first write 5. And upper one numbers, it means numerator 4 and 3. Again you here arrange 4 plus 3, and now last step, that is you do add. It means 4 plus 3 equal to 7 and by 5. 7 by 5. What I am telling to you? I am telling to you first you see the denominators. Any fractions first you see denominators. If denominators are both fractional, both fractions same, then this type of fractions is called like fractions. And when the fraction is like, then you first write denominator place 1, like fractions number what? 5, so you write here 5. And second step, you both numerators arrange to this type. First you see plus 4 plus 3. And now last step, that is you do add 4 plus 3 equal to 7 and by 5. So 7 by 5 is the answer. But you see here is what? 7 by 5 is a which type fraction? Improper fractions. When denominator is smaller than numerator, then the fraction is called improper fraction. So you wanted to then do this one, convert it to mixed fractions. So 5 to you give divide 7. 5 to you give divide 7. Then answer is what coming? Quotient is coming 1. So you write 1. And remainder is 2. And denominator what percent? 5. So 2 whole 1 whole 2 by 5 is answer. This is answer. Okay. Second one, more one questions here. B number 3 by 7 plus 2 by 5. Again you see here what see here? Here is also denominators are what? 7 and 5. But these are not equal. These are unequal numbers. 7 is another number and 5 is another number. So this type of fraction is unlike fractions. Okay. So you first take LCM. 7 and 5. 7 and 5 take first you LCM. Then LCM is what coming? 7 and 5. LCM when you take, then 7 5s are 35. LCM coming what? 35. So LCM first you take 7 and 5, that is 35. Then you write first 35 below the division line. Next you give divide 7 to 35. 7 to give divide 35. Then how many times coming 35? 7 5s are 35. Okay. 7 table you read 5 times, then coming 35. So 5 coming. Then 5 to what? To 5 to this number. It means 3. 3 do multiply. 5 3 is the what? 5 3 is the 15. So you write upper one 15. And again give you plus them. 2 by 5 here is first term is completed. First term's fractional calculation is completed. Now you second term 2 by 5. denominator 5, तो again you 5 to give divide 35, then how many times coming? 7 times. 5 table 7 times when you read, then coming 35. Okay, so now 7 to 2, 7 into 2 equal to what? 7 to 2 multiply 2, then 7 to the 14, so you write here 14. Now third step is, first step, first you take LCM both numbers, then what coming? 35, because this 7 and 5 is odd numbers both are, so 7 5s are 35, multiply 2, and here 7 to give 35, divide, then how many times coming 35? 5 times, so 5 to again 3, give multiply, then 5 3s are 15, and next here down is what? 5, again you 5 to give divide 35, then 7 times coming, so 7 into 2 equal to 40. Now do plus, 4 plus 5 equal to what? 9, and 1 plus 1 equal to what? 2, so 29 by 35, 29 by 35, then answer is 29 by 35. So addition, I have written here two topics, one addition and one subtraction. So additions, you see here one simple addition when like fractions, and when another addition that is unlike fraction. So both are I am this type adding, this type you are also do. Next I have teach you subtraction. Again see here, related to subtraction question, 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. Again which type question? This one is again like fraction, because see here both denominators are equal, so what do you first you write here division line give, and down to write first one denominator, it means you write first 2, and upper one what percent? 5 and 3, so again you arrange this type 5 minus 3, and now you do subtract 5 minus 3, then what is coming? 5 minus 3 equal to 2, and y is also 2, it means here you see numerator and denominators both are equal, so 2 by 2, 2 table 2, both numbers are divisible, so you want to 2 1s are 2 and 2 1s are 2, it means your answer is what? 1. Answer is what? 1. So this type like fractions, if in division, subtraction, then you solve this type. Next one, B number question, see here. Nine by 5 minus 3 by 3 by 2. 9 by 5 minus 3 by 2. Okay. So first you see here both numbers are different number. It means it is a unlike fraction. Okay. First you take LCM. This is numbers 5 and 2. When you take 5 and 2's LCM, then what is coming? 10 coming. So you write first equal sign give and write down to 10. Now 5 to give divide 10. 5 to you give divide 10. Then how many times 10 coming? 2 times. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. Okay. So 2 coming when you give divide 5 to 10. Then 2 to what do you? 2 to 9. 5's upper numerator 9. 9 give you multiply by 2. So 9 to 18. 9 to 18. Again what sign present here? Minus. So you give minus sign. It means this fractions calculation is completed. Now you 2 to give divide 10. So how many times 10 is coming? 5 times. So 2 5s are 10. 2 to when give divide 10, then 5 times coming. So 5 to 3 do multiply. Then 5 3s are 15. So you write again 15. And now last step, you again write down to denominators 10 and 18 minus 15. Then 8 minus 5 equal to what? 3. 8 minus 5 equal to 3. And 1 minus 1 equal to 0. So answer is what coming? Answer is coming 3 by 10. So students, You today see like fractions how do you solve and unlike fractions how do you solve. Like fractions very simple process, but unlike to sum, first step is take LCM both denominators, thereafter do calculation this time. Okay, thanks.